Today we're going to be looking at contractions, and contractions are two words that are smushed together and one or more of the letters in the middle of the word is replaced by an apostrophe. So we've already talked about contractions a little bit. Today we're going to be taking either two words and making a contraction, or we're going to be pulling the two words out and typing which two words are in the contraction. So for your first 10 practice slides, you're going to be typing the contraction you can make using the two words at the top. So my two words here are I and M. So down below, I'm going to double click on the question mark so it turns blue. And then I'm going to type my contraction, I'm, because I'm is the contraction for I am. So capital I, then I find my apostrophe, which is right next to the enter key. And then I put an M. And then you can see I'm is the contraction for I am. So as you scroll down on the left, you'll see 9 more that you're going to practice with. And then you're going to see that it changes to contractions at the top, and you need to type the two words that are in the contraction in the text box below. So this one is wheel, and it says type the two words in the contraction. So I'm going to double click again on my question mark, just like I did before, and then I'm going to type the two words that make this contraction, we and will. Now, if your W or your first letter here automatically capitalizes, don't worry about it because I'm not looking at capitalization right now. Just know that we don't capitalize contractions unless it's at the beginning of a sentence or if the first word in the contraction is an I. So for these 10 practice slides, you're going to be typing me the two words that make up the contraction. And then that is your last contraction that you're going to do, and you can turn it into Google Classroom when you're finished.